It's a lovely day, some clouds in the sky, but I can't go that high. Quite a lot of full-sized aircraft use this airfield as a waypoint, and they come across here. And here's my little setup. So I've got my Arcbird tracker. This has got two LZR antennas with a rapid fire in a Furious FPV Dock King. So quite a bit going on there, but hopefully that should give me plenty of range. I've got my Dart XL. Today's going to be the maiden flight of that. I don't think I could find a more isolated place to do my outdoor activity, which I'm allowed to do now. So wish me luck on this maiden.